Hi, it's Angeline here. Today's video is going to be a fun one because Unity Stamp has a brand new artist who is Lisa Glantz, and her art is so pretty, I'm obsessing over it. So today I'm going to show you how to create this cloud stencil background on this card. So first, I've already stamped and colored this cute girl and puppy from the So Grateful kit with some Copic markers, and I've also glittered up her skirt using the Zig Wing of Stella, which you can also get from Unity Stamp. And here I'm grabbing the Clouds for Days stencil from Simon Says Stamp, and I'm just covering up the clouds in the middle with a scrap piece of paper because I just want the border. So I'm grabbing my Distress Oxide inks in Tattered Rose here, and I'm grabbing my ink blender tool and just dabbing on the card. As you can see, this will create a really nice and soft cloud background for your card. If you prefer a more vibrant approach, you could blend the usual way. But if you don't, you could always just dab with the ink blender or any sponge will do. Next, I'm grabbing the rectangle scallop stamp set from Unity as well to create a border around my sentiment. I'm grabbing the Delicata ink here in Golden Glitz and just inking up my entire stamp. And what's great about this stamp is you can actually see exactly where you're stamping, and ta-da! I fussy cut this out and here is how it looks like. So it's time to assemble the card. I'm adding a Picket Fence border die from Lawn Fawn here to just ground the entire card in, adding the sentiment and also the pretty girl and little puppy. And that's it. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this card and the brand new artist Lisa Glantz. Welcome to Unity Stamp. Thanks for watching. Bye!